Clear drawing dimensions are essential for manufacturing accuracy, but in complex SOLIDWORKS drawings, they can quickly become cluttered. Whether you use model items to import dimensions from the model or add dimensions manually in the drawing, there may be times when a dimension is more legible in a different view. Fortunately, we can quickly move dimensions between drawing views using a simple shortcut, and the dimension will reattach to the correct geometry while keeping its respective annotations. And we are showing you how in this 2-minute tech tip. Manually deleting and recreating dimensions is an option to solve this, but it adds unnecessary work, increases the chance of selecting the wrong references, and can break linked annotations like text and GD&T feature control frames. A faster and more reliable approach to move a dimension between drawing views is to hold Shift, then click and drag the dimension into the target view. Once you release the mouse, SOLIDWORKS removes the dimension from the original view and automatically reattaches it to the corresponding geometry in the new view, maintaining associated annotations. Just remember, the reference geometry must exist and be normal in the target view. Use this shortcut to clean up your drawings faster, improve readability, and maintain accurate manufacturing documentation. If you're interested in additional information about dimensions and other drawing tips, check out our SOLIDWORKS Drawings course, where you will find hours of information on different drawing views, dimensions, annotations, tables, drawing formats, and more. Thanks for watching.